Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network, Flare Tokenomics 101. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So, if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe. And for that, you can use the Crypto Growth exclusive discount on Decent. Check out their biometric wallet, which has got $30 off. It is convenient and safe, intuitive and ergonomic. It is secure. And guys, it also has over 3,000 plus coins and tokens, so you guys can check this out yourselves. It supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, and the biometric wallet 2x package has $99 off if you use the Crypto Growth exclusive discount link, which is in the description box below. So do check that out. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost now with the price and chart of Flare at the time of the recording, guys. So Flare is down 7.14% for the day. The price is 0.03867, almost 40 cents, guys. Sorry, 4 cents. So yeah, it has fallen from 4.5 cents almost in the day, guys. It has fallen a bit. It has dipped a bit. If you look at the 7-day chart, guys, this is the 7-day chart. The price went as low as 0.03377, as high as 0.045, and since that time, guys, it has come back down, and it has tested this 7-day support over here, 0.038. It seems like a good support if we look at the 7-day chart. As far as the monthly is concerned, where are we? So yeah, in the monthly, guys, we're down 18.04%. This is okay. Nothing much here, but guys, in the yearly, we can get a better perspective now, guys. Like I told you guys, this is a crucial support area over here, 0.035, and the price came down, tested this, did a false breakout to the downside, but since that time it has rebounded up, and I think it will go up and test the 5 cent mark somewhere in the near future, in my opinion, but not financial advice, because guys, Flare is extremely undervalued for what it is offering. I've talked time and again for its capabilities, the smart contract for those assets that lack smart contract. I mean BTC, Doge, XRP, you name it, and Flare being used as a collateral and actually being used, guys. And guys, if you look at the all-time chart of Songbird as well, it is undervalued as well. Yearly chart of Songbird, I've told you again that time and again that Songbird will have a lot of utility, as it is the canary network for Flare network, and the F assets will come to Songbird first, and its SGB is going to be utilized. It is truly going to be utilized as far as its utility is concerned. Check this out. It has also rebounded from this price range, almost 0.011, so it is also on its way up, somewhat similar to Flare as well, guys. So, guys, let me show you a post that the Flare official X handle has posted now for for a bit of clarity as to what Flare is, what the tokenomics are, basics are, what the basics of Flare are, because people time and again get confused as to what Flare is all about. So Flare network time and again post good posts about Flare, and this is one of them, guys. Flare Tokenomics 101. So, guys, in this thread, Flare Network explores the FLR basics, distribution and vesting schedule, recent news and benefits. So let us check this out. This is the Tokenomics 101, guys, basically. So yeah, this is posted on March 25, 2024. So this is recent. Let me show you this. This is the Flare basics, token name and ticker, obviously FLR. Guys, this is the Genesis token supply. I'm going to be showing you the full version over here as well, because a few things aren't totally clear over here. This is extremely short, guys. Flare Genesis distribution, 58.3% allocated to the community through A, 36 monthly flare drops. So this is the Genesis distribution, guys. And if you remember, XRP holders were also airdropped flare. So yeah, 20 billion Flare incentive pool, C ecosystem grants. So yeah, Flare Foundation and Flare VC fund cannot participate in governance. Macro view of initial FLR allocations, guys. 22.9% went to the Flare development and investment entities, 58.3% to community Flare allocation, 16.7% Flare team advisors and early backers, 2.1% guys burned backer tokens. Flare Genesis vesting schedule A. After the initial 15% distribution in January 2023, entities received the remaining 85% smoothly over 36 months. Last initial vesting, January 2026, guys. We have still a bit of a time since in the vesting period, 2025 and 2026. So imagine when the last vesting happens, guys. I mean, it's going to be huge. A schedule updated as early investors agreed to extend vesting. 48-month FLR token distribution schedule. Check this out. So yeah, all 100 billion FLR. Monthly player drops, original airdrop, backers, advisors, future team, rest of team, founding team, Flare Labs, Flare VC Fund, Flare Foundation. Recent news: a 2.1 billion Flare is set to be permanently removed from circulation to support ecosystem health. So far, 464 million Flare has been burned. Early backers agreed to extended vesting, set sales limit, and reinvest in ecosystem projects. So check this out. Flare's earliest investors have reinvested in the long-term future of the network in a groundbreaking new agreement. In addition to the extending token vesting and capping sales, they will reinvest 50% of any token sales back into Flare ecosystem projects, guys. So, what else do we have? Okay, the majority of Flare tokens are ultimately owned and governed by the communities, guys. So, main chunk of the FLR tokens are with the community, and basically, the community is what drives the project forward in the long haul. Obviously, fueling a thriving ecosystem with ever expanding capabilities. So, let me show you the tokenomics page over here as well, guys. Token allocation at Network Genesis. 100 billion, guys. FLR tokens lowered the initial token supply to 15 billion tokens. Accordingly, the initial supply shall mean 15 billion tokens, and distributed supply shall mean 100 billion tokens, which shall be fully distributed over 36 months of flare drop per final supply shall mean initial supply plus inflation, guys. So at this moment, guys, check this out. The circulating supply, I think it has reached 36 billion, guys. Check this out. This is the circulating supply. The total supply is 100 billion flare at the moment. So yeah, let me show you more. These tokens have been allocated to the following groups. Note the delegation, claiming, and voting abilities of each defined here. Can delegate. The entity can delegate tokens to the Flare time series oracle. This is the passive income that we talk about, guys. You guys can delegate your tokens for passive income. Obviously, we've talked about this. The FTSO to earn standard inflationary rewards. You guys can get rewards in the form of Flare network. Flare tokens if you delegate your tokens. Can claim. The entity can wrap tokens to claim a portion of the Flare drop. You guys can also wrap the tokens to claim a portion of the flare drops that happen time and again. So that is also the free tokens, guys. I mean, not free, obviously you have to delegate or wrap them. Can vote. The entity can use its tokens to participate in governance by voting on Flare improvement proposals. So this is, guys, a community project. So the governance voting can happen. If you own Flare, you guys can cast your vote as well. Flare Partners, Flare Lab, Flare VC Fund. So yeah, total subtotal 22.97 billion FLR. Flare Community total was 58.3 billion, guys. Check this out, 22.97 billion Flare Community, out of which the Flare Foundation initial token distribution, Flare Drop incentive pool subtotal is 58.3 billion. Team advisors and backers, founding team, rest of the team, future team, advisors, backers, subtotal 16.6 billion Flare. So yeah, this is sort of a basic of the basically the tokenomics 101, guys. Flare token utility, guys. Obviously the utility is huge. Flare tokens is going to be huge, guys. staking to validator nodes, incentivize delegation to the Flare time series oracle, to support the provision of reliable decentralized data, collateral within decentralized applications built on Flare blockchain, cross-chain or solely native, participation within network governance, transaction fees to prevent spam attacks, public distribution. Here are important highlights of the public token distribution. Inflation calculation. In annual inflation is calculated based on circulating supply and changes as the first 3-year progress. But I told you guys that the last, I think, vesting schedule is January 2026. So in my opinion, not my opinion, but obviously it seems like all the tokens will be in circulation by that time, 2026. So yeah. So yeah, guys, what do you guys think about the vesting schedule and tokenomics of Flare Network? I really like that they constantly remind people and post about their tokenomics and the basics as well as advanced level of developments. So I really like when a project does that. So what do you guys think about this, guys? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.